Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RKDA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So to recap today, pretty much this is what we'd call a gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap if maybe you're newer traders? So on Monday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price actually opened up right up there. Hence the gap up. And then, that didn't last very long. The price actually did move upwards a little bit. Some poor souls bought up there. And then after that, the trap part happened, and it was basically bears the remainder of the day. Although to give credit where credit's due, I mean, the bulls definitely showed some signs of strength this afternoon with a nice little bounce back upwards right there. But overall, yeah, if you were to summarize today's price movement, gap and trap would be really the most straightforward way to summarize it. So let's get some things updated here. First thing, not really an update, but just kind of confirmation that, yeah, so far so good. This 575 did ultimately hold as support. Yes, it was temporarily broken, but because of that, the late day surge, the price was able to get back above there. So 575 remains that near-term level of support. The one update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that watched the video from Monday, I talked about right here at 625 as the area of support, but given the price fell below it, as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened there. So I'm not saying the price can never get up above 625 again. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is now struggling at that area. And if the price can break above there, then yeah, you could turn your attention back to that area up there above 7. But at this point, it doesn't really make sense much to be talking about anything above 7 until the price can first prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as getting back above and staying up above 625. And then going back to the support side of things, already talked about 575. And then from the overarching point of view, as far as supports are concerned, that is where the purple line continues to come into play. Keyword being moving, so as the week plays out, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. And from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls do still own the overall chart. So a rough day today with a pullback, but that's just one day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So we'll see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.